Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's nice to see you once again, guys. Today in this video I'm going to be unboxing my new camera, Sony ZV-E10. So I decided to make a upgrade to my recording video equipment, because before I normally use my iPhone to record my YouTube video before. So now I decided to have one camera. So guys, let's go and unbox it. Here is the camera. So it's new, it just arrived. So we are going to be unboxing it right now. So in any way, if you decided to have one, I will leave down the link below my description in this video, so you can check it up, so that you can see if you can get one. $814.93. okay, but in America, anywhere you are, so you can find it in this very rate right now. So please use my link below the description, guys. So okay, so you can also see a fairly used as well for a very cheap, a good price as well. Okay, as well, a very good price, fairly used if you want. So guys, check out down to my link. So let's go straight to the video. Today, right now, let's unbox this one that we have here right now, guys. This one is also good for vlogging. It's good for vlogging. It's really they made it for people who vlog anyway, but also you can also use it inside indoor as well. You can use it inside indoor if you are doing content. And this one come with the lens. With the lens is in that price. That price you are seeing there is both the lens, not only the body alone, with the lens. And this one have it have a mic also. It have a little bit of it have a small mic on top here. So let us open and see what we have inside this.
Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for fame, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test. I'm chess, what's happening next year? He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. I'm in this possession, you got the attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just keep no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11, it's time for progression. Oh! Could try to play, but you're never gonna be.
Wow.
Look the other way, what I'm doing.
So what do we have inside the box? Let's see what we have inside the box. We have here the plug. I don't really know what we have to do with this plug.
So he's been looking for somebody who could save him.
This plug is not, we don't use this one in where I live right now here.
A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times.
This is the battery. This is the battery.
High ambitions
battery.
in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a
We
few
have
lifetimes.
the
Go
filter
from a break off from the weak minds, they can stay soft. You
the
can
filter
fuse lives, you
for the
create
mic.
bots, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off.
In
What
case
you
of
like,
the
make a
when you
dream
are
job.
outside
No mind,
vlogging
no
and
labels,
outside,
just my life and free
so you can
thoughts.
put this one to resist the hair that is blowing around, So this is what we use here in where I live. This is plug that we use here. This is one thing I really love about this. You see, they made it for us, so maybe I can just travel to other region right now, and I can still use, because is the other region, maybe it's this one, or maybe it is very to plug or this to the plug, which is very nice. I cannot go and be asking for someone to give me a plug, you know. So this is the belt, which you can use it to carry it along around. Belt is a belt. What's else again? We have the USB, which is the type C. Yes, this is the type C, which you can use to transfer your you can use it to transfer your videos, pictures out to your laptop. What do we have here again? This is the adapter. This is another adapter which you can use to plug. This one is going to come in here. This one is going to come in here like this. Let me show you guys. This one is the one from here. This hole here, you see? This one is going to come here. And this one, you plug this one here. So USB will come here. When the USB comes here, this one goes to the light when you are trying to charge your battery. So what do we have next? So we have here the camera itself. So the camera is very nice. Wow, it's small, not too big, and the logo is here. Wow, this is very portable camera. Nice, sweet. Wow, guys, this is nice. And the camera is a flip. You can twist it around like this. This is what I've been looking for, because I needed to have so that I can video, I can video whatever maybe I'm doing some kind of a videoing. I can video something from this side. I can video myself, and plus the whatever I am seeing in front of me. You see, this is the reason why I really love this camera. The flip on it is what I really like. The flip. You can be videoing something like this now and twist it and video that side, and video yourself together with the video, when you are vlogging around, So it's really nice, guys. And when you are doing some video right now, you can be seeing yourself doing the video. It's clean, very clean, beautiful, as you can see. Wow, this is nice, guys. So we're back. So this is just how it is right now. Everything here. This one now, you can place it here. I have placed it just the way it is. Just this one is going to be here, and also it has a type C and for the charging. So here is where you can put the battery. Here is for the battery. Just place the battery inside. Let's put the battery inside now. This is the battery. This is the battery. You put the battery, you click it, you press it inside. You click inside, and here is the SD. The space over here is for the SD, the corner here. So I don't have SD right now, so I'm going to get that one next week. So you lock it, you switch it, and you lock. It's lock. When you take it back, you open. You want to lock it, you take it front, it lock. Back is open. See? So this is this, guys. This is this. Just so here you can, if you have a microphone, if you have a tripod, so here you can screw the tripod here, down here. You screw the tripod, you screw it like this, so it will hold it strong. So I don't have that now, so I have to have that one. So I still need some accessory to buy for this phone, for this camera, before I can start to use it. I just want to unbox it here for you guys. The unbox it for you guys to see. So if you want to make a hold of this, it is very nice for you to have a camera when you want to become a content creator, guys. Okay, so I think so this is what I really want to share with us guys here today. So try, guys, if you really want to be in this business for long. So try to get one of these, which is going to be great for you. So what I'm going to be coming here back again to show you guys. Right now I have to charge the battery for some time, so I know about how the functions of the camera, because it's new. I don't really know much about camera right now, so I have to go for study to use it. After using it for some time, so I'll come here to do the review for you guys to see how good this camera is. I love the made up. I have made the research, I have watched videos, people have talked about it already, and which is nice. Also, this is what motivates me to get it, and exactly what I will be using it for. It is perfect for it. I can use it to do vlog outside. I can also use it to do make it as a webcam in my room to do a video tutorial as well, which is nice. This is great. So I will be coming back here to do the review for you guys once again. So thanks for watching this unboxing with me. So do subscribe to get more update from me. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, I told you about the camera. Remember, don't forget, just check my link. I will leave the link below, so you can get it from Amazon. Amazon have it right now. You can get it in a very cheaper rate. Okay, your equipment as you move along with your content. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. God bless you all. See you once again in my next video. Bye bye.